In this video, I will show how to easily accept payments on your WordPress site via Stripe payment gateway. So guys, if you need or if you want to add this Stripe payment gateway, so search this plugin, accept Stripe payments, install and activate. Use this plugin if you are facing any problem or you need to learn how to create account on Stripe or how to connect your website with Stripe. So make comment. I will create a new tutorial about this plugin, how to use and how to connect and how to accept Stripe payment in your WordPress website. So thanks for watching.